Dear students, as in numerical analysis, we have already discussed about equally spaced interpolation. In equally spaced interpolation, we did two methods. One Newton forward interpolation method, and another is Newton backward interpolation method. Now today we want to discuss the unequally spaced interval. Okay, the interpolation for unequally spaced data. And for that purpose, first of all, we are going to discuss about the basic concept of divided difference. So let us look what is the divided difference operator and the basic concept of divided difference in numerical analysis. Okay. So as we know, once again we revisit about the interpolation, estimation of intermediate values between precise data points. The most common method is polynomial interpolation. You know, the polynomial interpolation we are discussing in equally spaced data and unequally spaced data also. The polynomial interpolation is used when the point determined are very precise. The curve representing the behavior has to pass through every point. There is one and only one nth order polynomial that fits for n plus 1 number of points. Okay, so it means the polynomials are the most common choice of interpolation because they are easy to. Why we always say कि for any purpose we always take the equation, and here in numerical analysis also y is equal to fx. Why? Because it is easy, always easy in mathematics to discuss anything. Okay, to interpolate because they are easy to evaluate, easy to differentiate and integrate, and we know a lot of various functions. So in fact, you may say in a narrow sense, the mathematics is nothing but study of various kind of the function. Okay, so here we always discuss about the polynomials. If you talk about here in interpolation, here we are going to discuss about the three order linear, quadratic and cubic. So linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial for different means this is the first order, you know, this is the first order, this is second order and this is third order. Okay, so all the three concept you should keep in your mind, the linear, quadratic and cubic. What is the interpolation with unequal space interval? We shall now going to discuss interpolation formula with unequally spaced value of the argument. How it look like? It means let the function y is equal to fx be a given at the point x naught, x1, x2 up to xn, which need not to be equally spaced. Then f of x naught, f of x1, f of x2 up to f of xn denote the n plus 1 values of the function at the point x naught, x1, x2 up to xn. Then the divided difference of fx for the argument x naught, x1, x2 up to xn is defined by this. Just to look, divided difference. The difference in numerator f of x naught minus f of x1 divided by x naught minus x1, and then division. Because of that, this is known as divided difference. Okay, and it is denoted by, and now anyway you can denote this. The most common and easy way is f of x naught comma x1, or sometimes we write like this. This symbol is divided. Here we write x1. Okay, mean divided for this interval x naught and x1 fx, or in capital bracket x naught comma x1. So we may define the divided difference for the two values, 2 points x naught and x1. X naught x1 is equal to f of x naught minus f of x1 divided by x naught minus x1. Similarly, we can define x1 x2 also. F of x1 comma x2 is f of x1 minus f of x2 divided by x1 minus x2. The second divided difference for the argument x naught x1 x2 is defined as f of x naught x1 x2 is equal to, look here, f of, now this is the double point, 2 points, pair of points x naught x1 and x1 x2 divided by x naught minus x2. First divided difference is called divided difference of order 1. फर्स्ट डिवाइडेड डिफरेंस को हमेशा क्या कहते हैं, डिवाइडेड डिफरेंस ऑफ ऑर्डर 1. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी said in the early of the PPT that the order 1, order 2 and order 3 linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. Okay, so this is the point of concern up to undergraduate level of science and mathematics and engineering students. So now, for example, let us look now a different operator you learn. So how to look the problem? If fx is 1 by x, then find f of ab. What is the meaning of find f of ab and find f of abc? The meaning is this: a and b, this first order, this divided difference is f of ab, and this is fa minus fb by a minus b. You know this function is true for every value. The f of a is 1 by a. You put here 1 by a minus 1 by b divided by a minus b. On simplification, you will get minus 1 by ab. The second divided difference for the given argument you may define like this: f of abc is equal to f of ab, f minus f of bc divided by a minus c, and on simplification you will get 1 by abc. Now, one more important thing is how to prepare the divided difference table. So here you look the divided difference table. If are the values minus 1, 0, 2 and 3, if y is given minus 8, 3, 1 and 12, then first difference is, again you know, 3 and minus plus 3 plus 8 by 0 minus 1 means 0 plus 1 is 11. Similarly, 1 minus 3 divided by 2 minus 0 is minus 1. 12 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 2 is 11. Similarly, now again you will find the second divided difference by taking this minus 1 minus 11 by 2, 2 and 1. Look here. Now the range is here, 2 and minus 1. Okay, so 2 plus 1 is minus 4. Similarly, here 11 in between this, 11 plus 1 and divided by now 3 minus 0. This and this range is there. 3 minus 0. Now this is 4, and now from here to here. Okay, so now from here to here, the value will be your 2. So you will get the third divided difference, and the value is. Thank you very much. Thank you. Stay safe.